Ka-chow.
You walk out to hop into your car for the day and you notice you have a flat tire. The first thing you want to do is see if you can figure out what caused the flat.
Keep going. Stop. Found it.
Since the nail was in a main part of the tread, it can usually be repaired. You can take it to a tire shop and they'll usually repair it for free or for a nominal fee. Christine, we were so lucky to find out that you had a flat. I have this little baby compressor. It just plugs right into your accessory outlet, so we're gonna get you some more air.
You don't want to drive on a flat because that can actually cause the different layers of rubber to separate from each other, in which case you will have to replace the tire. If you don't have an air compressor like we did, what I would recommend is actually putting the spare on in order to drive to the tire store to have the tire repaired so that you don't have to potentially get a whole new tire.
Why do we sometimes have to buy 2 tires when only 1 tire is damaged? Your tires directly affect vehicle handling, ride comfort, and traction on the road. Depending on the amount of tread left on the opposite tire, you could end up lopsided, which would affect your accelerating, braking, and cornering abilities.
Thank you so much for watching. I offer consulting and automotive education so that you don't get taken advantage of at auto shops. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe below so we can help other people find this video. You can also find other helpful tips and tricks on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and LinkedIn at Girlie Garage.